In this video I will give you a short tip on how to quickly qualify leads for premium outer structures without a configurator. Intro. Hello there, my name is Tom Janssens. I'm the owner of virtualsaleslab.com. Virtual Sales Lab helps marketeers for premium outdoor structures to activate and qualify leads via online 3D configurators. In this video I will explain you a simple and easy way to qualify leads without using a configurator. There's actually a little bit of a backstory behind this. I was contacted by a potential customer of mine, I think it's about a year ago. It was a very nice lady who had a company with just about 10 employees. And the thing is, she was doing lots of custom things. So almost everything she did was custom. And she said, yeah, I think I need a configurator because I spend way too much time on creating offers for every single potential customer. And we waste all of our time on this. So when I started thinking together with this lady, I said, look, if you want a configurator, you need to have some maturity in your product. Because if you have a product that's always different, so there's no like default components in it, you tend to, it might be hard to build a configurator for that, especially if it needs to be usable by a consumer. So I went through with it and I said to her, look, let's go back to the original issue. What is your problem actually? You're wasting too much time on creating offers. So I suggested her to make a really simple one-pager that would help her to qualify her leads without spending too much time on it, and this is the way it looked. So it's really simple. This is now an example, of course, with some transportation things, but it makes sense, of course, that you need to do it properly to the way with the product that you have. So from left to right, you just make things more expensive, and right now I only have 2 rows, but you could actually have 3 rows or more. Or 4 or 5 depending on the different types of products that you sell. And I just said, okay, which of the products would interest you? By doing this, you would implicitly explain to your potential customer, look, this is what we offer. These are the kind of ranges you can expect. And if your prospect already sees this and he says, oh, but I only have €1 available, then you know it's not for him. And if he says, I was assuming it was €500, there might be a different thing there. So it's really important, and this is an easy step to help your potential customer to find out what kind of what's the range of his budget. So you can easily qualify him without using a configurator, without having a specific offer for each customer, etc., etc. So that was a really short video. So my name is Tom Janssens, I'm the owner of virtualsaleslab.com. At virtualsaleslab.com we build online 3D configurators. So this is an example of a configurator like this. It's actually a configurator that's used for solar panels, so you can see the peak power. You can change the model, you can alter anything. You can say it needs to be aluminium, it needs to be double carport, it needs to be a terrace-shaped roof. Well, that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, feel free to contact me or reach out. Thank you, bye bye.